How high are they now? In a moment, we shall see.
This party isn't going very well, is it? I don't know why everybody's so uptight.
Maybe we should eat.
Maybe we should watch TV.
Hey, guys. Wonder Joints.
Because of the implication.
That reefer, boy?
Of course.
Don't you know what that can do to you?
Hey man, we roll how we roll, and if people are annoyed or intimidated by it, that's too bad for them.
Look at that, man. The great outdoors, huh? Great outdoors. Yeah.
Where you from, nigga? Coming straight out of Lowcats. A crazy motherfucker named Dead Mike. So get ready, cause you're going for a long hike. Going for clip. I'm going for clip.
When I float, niggas know it's time to take a hike, a hike, a hike, a hike. It's time to take a hike. Cause I grab the mic and flip my tongue like a dyke, a hike, a hike, a hike. Tongue like a dyke.